Capital One versus Chase. Which banking platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which banking platform is better among Capital One and Chase. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Capital One Banking. Capital One offers fee-free checking and savings accounts with no minimum balance requirements. Also, their 360 savings accounts and CDs typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional banks. It provides access to a large network of fee-free atoms, including all point atoms. Capital One cafes offer a unique banking experience with free financial coaching and a relaxed atmosphere. Customers have access to CreditWise, a free credit monitoring tool, while Capital One has fewer physical branches compared to Chase, which may be a drawback for customers who prefer in person banking. Capital One's business banking options are not as extensive as those offered by larger banks like Chase. Now let's come to Chase Banking. Chase has a large number of branches and atoms across the US, making it convenient for customers who prefer in person banking. Chase offers a comprehensive suite of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment options. Also provides robust business banking services, including business checking accounts, credit cards, and loans. The Chase mobile app is feature rich, allowing customers to manage accounts, deposit checks, pay bills, and monitor investments, offering attractive reward programs, particularly with their credit cards, such as Chase Ultimate Rewards. Somehow, many Chase accounts come with monthly maintenance fees, although these can often be waived by meeting certain requirements. Chase's savings accounts and CDs typically offer lower interest rates compared to online banks like Capital One 360. They were more complex fee structure with fees for various services that may not be transparent to all customers. Choosing between Capital One and Chase depends on your banking preferences and needs. Capital One is an excellent choice for those looking for fee-free accounts, competitive interest rates, and a user-friendly mobile app. On the other hand, Chase is better suited for those who value a wide range of banking products, extensive branch access, and strong business banking services. That's all for this video.